can walk, roll, and adapt to any tough environment. It is also a balancing robot that can avoid any obstacle, and it can carry heavy loads then for up to 5 to 10 kilograms. Also, kung napapansin natin, kakaiba yung itsura ng kanyang paa. Ang tawag po dyan ay wheeled mode na isa sa 3-foot modes ng ating two-legged robot. And this is for high-speed navigation that can speed for up to 5 meters per second. And lastly, itong ating two-legged robot, kaya nitong mag-assist sa scientists, engineers, and students dahil lahat po ng robots dito po natin is a 4-legged robot or the Line 3 Pro quadruped robot. Handle stairs for 15 cm and it can carry heavy loads for up to 6.5 kg. So ano po kayang special sa 4-legged robot na to? Ito po ay may built-in camera sa kanyang gitnang mata. And kung titignan natin na maigi, meron siyang camera. Perfecto gamitin for surveillance, security, and inspection tasks.
Nakakatakot yung
So
mata
yan,
niya.
go ahead, Lightry. Magpakitang gilas ka naman dyan sa students natin.
Fantastic, baby.
Ayun. Go Vikings! Go Ay, kumakaway.
Alright, thank you so much. Ready? Show us your move. Yan, may naman go to. Pakitaan mo naman yung students natin kung gaano tayo kataas tumalon. Patingin nga yan.
Ang palaka.
There we go. And for our
hate on us. Niggas be envious. I know why they hate on us. They stop so fabulous. I'ma be real on us. Nobody got nothing on us. Cause we all on us from London back down to the US. Just confess your girl that lives that way to shit. Every face like she and that's how we get her. We definitely BEP, we reppin' it. So, Johnny, y'all. Johnny, y'all. Come on, baby, just pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Pump it. Inside. Inside. Turn up the radio. Blast the stereo. This joint is sizzling. It's sizzling. Check this out right here. Don't wanna hate on us. Don't believe on us. Don't wanna act on us.
Okay, palang movements. Napakaangas. Yes, galing. Ayan, thank you so much. Go to kay Humanoid Robot. Woo! And now let's all meet our G1 Humanoid Robot. Palakpakan naman tayo dyan. So this robot is named Y-Bot that is built to move, interact, and learn like a human. With advanced AI control, vision mapping, smart sensors, and dexterous hand to perform tasks with precision. Aside from that, this robot has energy-efficient motors for stable and human motion movement, and of course, it can assist in hospital, industrial automation, and even for space exploration. So yan sa ating students, ready na ba kayo? Ayan, Y-Bot, please be ready. And music, please.
Ayun. Umiiling na.
Yan! Grabe nga naman ang... Music please.